Hello friends, in this channel we are going to discuss the problems in logical reasoning. I'll upload videos regularly which contains a problem and its solution. It will be helpful for you to prepare for various entrance examinations. Now come let us solve the problem. This is based on seating arrangements. Now have the look at the details. The details given are: there is a family having 8 members D, E, F, G, H, I, J and C. One day they have decided to go to the dinner at a restaurant, so they sit around a circular table facing the center. There are 3 males and 5 females in the family. No two males are immediate neighbors of each other. H sits second to the right of his wife. F sits third to the right of H. I sits second to the right of her husband C. C is not an immediate neighbor of H's wife. J is a male and J is not an immediate neighbor of I. E sits second to the right of D. These are the given details. You have to find the seating arrangements of these members. You pause the video here and you try it yourself, the seating arrangements. Okay, now let's see the explanation. This is the answer. The members are seated in this way. What is the first thing given? There is a family having 8 members. D, E, F, G, H, I, J and C. Okay. One day they have decided to go to dinner at a restaurant, so they sit around a circular table facing the center. Okay. There are 3 males and 5 females in the family. So among these 8, there are 3 males and 5 females. No two males are immediate neighbors of each other, right? The first point given is H sits second to the right of his wife. H sits second to the right of his wife. So first we don't know who is H's wife. You just assume that any alphabet you can put here. Also you can just mention that H's wife first when you are calculating this. So write a H over here. It means that H is a male. H is second to the right of his wife. It means that H is a male and H's wife come over here because H sits right to his wife. This is his wife. H sits right, second to the right of his wife. Okay, this is the right direction because all were facing inside. And F sits third to the right of H. So F sits third to the right of H. 1, 2, 3. So F sits third to the right of H. I sits second to the right of her husband C. I sits second to the right of her husband C. So C is a male. You found H is a male and C is a male. Yes. And I is a female. C is not an immediate neighbor of H's wife. They mention that C is not an immediate neighbor of H's wife. So C should not come here or here. And also C should not come here because M is a male. No two males sit adjacent to each other. It is given in the details. So C should not come here. So obviously C comes over here. J is a male and J is not an immediate neighbor of I. G is a male and J is not an immediate neighbor of I. So G is a male and J is not an immediate neighbor of I. So it means that J won't come here because it's not an immediate neighbor of I. J won't come here or here. Already F took this place. So J is H's wife because it comes to the second to the right of H. Okay. E sits second to the right of D. So E sits second to the right of D. This condition also matches. You have to check whether all these conditions matches. If it matches, you got the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the questions. Who sits between I and J? Find the answer for this. We'll see the answers finally. Who among the following does not belong to that group? What is the position of C with respect to J? Who among the following is his wife? Who among this following is the one whose both immediate neighbors are males? The answers are G, C, fourth to left, J and E. How many of you got the correct answer? Please give in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the another video.